Welcome to CourtSpiral, where truth is stranger than fiction. Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking legal battles that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about justice. In the world of the rich and powerful, no one is beyond the law. But sometimes the law itself becomes a game, where the stakes are higher than we can imagine. Let's take a look at how the case of actress Amber Heard and actor Johnny Depp unfolded, a saga that captivated the world and revealed the dark underbelly of Hollywood's legal battles. The story begins with a whirlwind romance that turned into one of the most publicized and contentious divorces in recent history. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp met on the set of the Rum Diary in 2009, igniting a passionate love affair that led to their marriage in 2015. However, what appeared to be a fairy tale romance quickly devolved into a nightmare. Just 1 year later, Heard filed for divorce, claiming Depp had been abusive throughout their relationship. The allegations sent shockwaves through Hollywood, where Depp was already a well-established star. Known for his roles in iconic films like Pirates of the Caribbean and Edward Scissorhands, Depp's image was that of a charming and eccentric actor. But the claims made by Heard shifted the narrative dramatically. The media frenzy that followed was intense, with tabloids and news outlets eager to report every detail of their tumultuous relationship. In the wake of the divorce filing, Heard obtained a temporary restraining order against Depp, alleging that he had physically assaulted her. Photographs of Heard with visible bruises emerged, further fueling the public's outrage. Depp vehemently denied the allegations, claiming that Heard was the abuser in their relationship. This marked the beginning of a legal battle that would span years and involve a multitude of lawsuits, counterclaims, and public accusations. As the divorce proceedings progressed, the legal disputes became increasingly complex. Depp filed a defamation lawsuit against Heard in 2019 after she published an op-ed in the Washington Post where she described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Although she did not mention Depp by name, he argued that the implication was clear and damaging to his career. The defamation case was set to be heard in 2021, but the drama was far from over. In the lead-up to the trial, new revelations came to light, including audio recordings of conversations between Depp and Heard. In these recordings, Heard could be heard admitting to hitting Depp, which turned the narrative on its head. The trial itself became a media circus, with fans on both sides rallying and social media exploding with commentary. Just when it seemed like this case was about to wrap up, something unexpected happened. The trial revealed a treasure trove of evidence, including text messages and emails that showcased the couple's tumultuous relationship. In one particularly damaging message, Depp referred to Heard as a whore and said, "I'm going to put a cigarette out on you." This kind of evidence not only painted a darker picture of Depp, but also raised questions about the nature of their relationship. As the courtroom drama unfolded, it became clear that both parties had their share of skeletons in the closet. Witnesses were called to testify, including friends and family members who spoke to the volatile nature of Heard and Depp's relationship. Some testified in support of Depp, while others painted Heard in a sympathetic light. The conflicting testimonies left the jury in a quandary, reflecting the complexity of domestic abuse cases where both parties may have been victims and perpetrators. The trial itself was riddled with unexpected twists. Throughout the proceedings, the couple's tumultuous history was laid bare for all to see. From drug and alcohol abuse to allegations of infidelity, the courtroom became a stage for their personal grievances. Depp's team sought to portray Heard as a manipulative actress who fabricated stories of abuse for financial gain, while Heard's lawyers painted Depp as a violent and controlling partner. As the trial reached its climax, the world watched with bated breath. The jury was tasked with sifting through the cacophony of accusations and defenses to arrive at a verdict. In the end, justice prevailed, but it left behind many unanswered questions. Was the verdict truly fair, or was there more beneath the surface? After weeks of testimony, the jury ultimately found in favor of Depp, awarding him a significant sum in damages. However, Heard was also awarded damages for her counterclaim against Depp. This outcome highlighted the inherent complexity of defamation cases, particularly when they involve public figures. The aftermath of the trial was equally dramatic. Both actors faced significant backlash from their respective fan bases. Depp, once a beloved Hollywood icon, found his career in jeopardy as studios distanced themselves from him. Meanwhile, Heard faced a wave of online harassment and backlash, with many calling for her to be removed from future film projects, including her role in the Aquaman franchise. As the dust settled, the implications of the case reverberated throughout Hollywood. It sparked a broader conversation about domestic violence, the #Me Too movement, and the challenges of navigating public perception in the digital age. The case underscored the complexities of abuse allegations and the difficulties victims face when seeking justice. In the wake of this high-profile legal battle, many began to question the efficacy of the legal system in handling cases of domestic abuse. The trial revealed how public opinion can shape legal outcomes and how the media plays a vital role in influencing perceptions of guilt or innocence. It also highlighted the dangers of sensationalism, where the truth can become obscured by the allure of a dramatic story. The saga of Heard and Depp serves as a cautionary tale about the intersection of fame, power, and legal battles in Hollywood. Behind the glamour lies a darker reality, where the quest for justice can become a spectacle for public consumption. It raises important questions about accountability, the treatment of victims, and the role of the media in shaping narratives. What do you think about this case? Was justice truly served, or did the system fail? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to CourtSpiral for more shocking stories from the world of law. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CourtSpiral. We're back every week with new, shocking stories. Let's continue exploring just how unpredictable justice can be.